Hey, good day folks, this is Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a unboxing and first impression of the Galaxy A52 5G. Yes guys, Samsung has just released their new A series models. They have the 32 and 72 and between A52. So I've got the awesome blue color. Let's do the unboxing and feel the phone. So let's do the unboxing. So before that, let me just show you around the box. You can see this Galaxy A52, the 5G, and I've got the awesome blue color, and it's made in Vietnam. So let's do the unwrapping before I unbox. So you can see here, it's Infinity O display, quad camera, 64 megapixel with OIS, and best thing is IP67 water and dust resistant. So take out this from the box. Whew, look at the color. It's awesome, really awesome. The color is fantastic. So let's put this aside first and see what are the contents inside the box. So luckily we have the charger and the USB cable included in this device, unlike the S21 Ultra, the expensive models. I really start to like Samsung in the way like how they treat their affordable series phones like this A52. They include the charger and the USB cable. It's a welcoming sign again from Samsung. And now let's take a look at this phone itself. Let me do the unwrapping of this plastic cover from this phone. Okay. Okay. So first look, first impression, it's a matte plastic finish. So it's a plastic back cover, it's not glass, and you can see the 4 camera modules, the LED light at the back which act as a flashlight as well, and the frame is aluminum, and this is in blue color. And the front we have the punch hole camera in the middle, as you can see here, and we have the Type-C charging port with the speaker here and the 3.5 mm audio jack input. So we have the volume rocker up and down and the power button, and we have the SIM ejector, the tray is on the top, and the 2 microphones I believe. The feel is fantastic. It's not slippery, it's not glossy, it's matte, and it doesn't have the so-called fingerprint magnet. It doesn't attract your fingerprints. So this is a very good, welcoming sign from Samsung. I really like the color. So now let's turn on the phone itself. Okay, there was a vibration when I turned on the phone. Let's see how long does it take to boot. Okay, starting Android. Welcome. That took about 10 to 20 seconds to actually boot fresh out of the box. So let's do the initial configuration. Start, and I'll just check the top three. Except the last one, receive of marketing information, which is optional, and sending diagnostic and data is optional as well. And I'll just click next. I'll skip this, skip. So it's not possible for me to skip the so-called the activation of the mobile without connecting to the network. So I do need to connect to the network. A connection is needed to continue setup. Connect to Wi-Fi or your. So it doesn't let me go to the next stage. I still need the so-called Wi-Fi or data connection. Let me turn on. Let me key in my password, and I will come back to the video again. Okay, I've connected to my Wi-Fi. Click next. Service provider setup. Your phone needs to restart to set up the features and services from your service provider. So I need to restart because this is actually a mobile set that I got from StarHub. On the first impression, the hardware looks very good, awesome. It's really living up to its name, awesome. The marketing they're doing with this awesome blue color, and A for awesome, affordable. I really appreciate Samsung to come up with this budget device, and I'm sure this will sell well to all the markets, especially school-going kids, college students. They will really like this color. So they have the violet, white and black, and finally we have this awesome blue. So I will not copy anything yet right now. So you can see out of the box that's a bit of juice above 50%. I have 61% of battery life out of the box, which is really cool. I'll skip this. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. So we get the normal charger, which I usually don't take out because I have plenty of them at home, so I'll just keep it within the box. The packaging is very straightforward, nothing fancy. Your phone, your charger, that's it. There's no even instruction manual or SIM ejector. They kept it very simple. So get recommended apps, will not select now. I'll just click next. Okay, I'll skip again, skip. You all set up. Finally I'm done. So it took about less than 5 minutes out of the box experience. And you heard the tone. So it's running on Snapdragon 750 chipset, which is really a welcoming sign from Samsung. And I really hate Exynos, their own chips. Radio, and I really love this radio feature. It's really very sad to see that the mobile phones are actually removing the radio function, because they are saying that I can listen to digital radio right now. So what is the so-called why do I need a radio again in the phone? So in fact, when you are listening to radio on the digital platform, it's actually 1-2 minutes delay. So radio otherwise is actually you're getting live. So that's the difference, and that's really welcoming, nice. Okay, apart from that, let's check the settings. It's very battery smooth. About the phone, battery information. So I need to say about the battery is 4500 mAh, which can last up to 2 days according to their website. Software information is running on One UI version. So the last security patch level was done in Feb 2021. And all of the updates are now coming in, and it's running on my phone right now, and it's really smooth. I don't see any lag so far. We have the YouTube. Let's check my channel. Let's check the sound. This is Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm outdoor. There's a full volume. Going to do test on my wireless microphone from Rode, the Wireless Go system. And I'm in an open field area where it is very windy. The condition is very windy here. And right now I'm vlogging this video using my Sony ZV-1. There's no any external microphone right now being plugged in, so the voice is being recorded directly from the camera itself, and it's pretty windy here. In a few moments I'll be plugging in the wireless Rode. The volume is actually coming from the bottom of the phone. It's a stereo speaker, and it's pretty loud if you ask me.